Good day. Alright, so this is a plea to my mechanically inclined friends that know a bit about noises that trucks and cars make. As you all know, I had my engine transplanted and replaced recently, and since then I've also had my starter replaced twice and adjusted a number of times. And each time we do the initial replacement and tweaking, adjustment and tightening or whatever, it sounds fabulous, absolutely wonderful. Then I drive down the road a little bit, and then it makes the same horrendous, bad noise over and over, and we cannot figure out what the hell it is. It's been shimmed, it's been non-shimmed, it's been middle shimmed. We can't figure it out. So, and it sometimes makes a noise and sometimes it doesn't. So this is the noise that it makes, and it might not do it the first time, but you'll see. It's horrendous. Wait for it. All right, key. That was only one of the horrendous noises that it makes. If you have any ideas as to why my starter is making this horrendous noise, and sometimes it's even more metally inclined, please let me know. Thank you.